Now we're going to do it from a steel oil pan using either our tool, which we showed you in the display, or a pair of common ordinary vice grips. It's very easy. Attach the vice grips to the eco plug and pull to remove. There's your eco plug. My hands are nice and clean. A quick drain of the oil. Very safe, very efficient. All right, we're going to complete the oil change. It looks like our oil is drained. We're going to remove the eco plug from the vice grips. We're going to line it up with the hole, and we're going to reinstall it to completion.